Do you need to move to France or Europe without stress or excessive expenses? Discover how Bring4You can help you with our unique approach for an economical, efficient, and ecological move. We offer an economical solution. You only pay for the outward journey and the number of cubic meters used in the truck. You can benefit from these rates thanks to our grouping technology and community of 400,000 members. Efficient. We work with small moving companies that we have rigorously selected. The person who carries out your move is highly motivated and professional. He is a business owner and not an employee of a group. Ecological. We ensure that each vehicle is 100% loaded, which has allowed us to save 5,000 tons of CO2 since our beginnings. It all starts with meticulous planning. At Bring4You, we work with you to establish a tailor-made plan, taking into account your specific needs and your time and budget constraints. Communication is essential. We ensure that all parties involved are informed and coordinated at every step of the process, ensuring your move goes smoothly. When it's time to move, our experienced team takes care of all the logistics, from initial packing to safe transport to delivery to your destination. We treat your belongings with the utmost care, ensuring they arrive at their destination in perfect condition. And once you're there, our support doesn't stop there. We help you settle in quickly and efficiently, so you can get back to your work or enjoy your new home without wasting any time. With Bring4You, moving becomes a smooth and stress-free experience. Visit our website or call us today to find out more and plan your move with peace of mind.